Gingerbread men are a lot of fun. Look at this. Look at this one. It's 43 inches square. This is a fabric panel that we print here at Sewing Parts Online. It's part of our So Creative brand. These panels come in all sizes. Now, what do I say to a 43-inch square gingerbread man? Yes, please. Everybody needs something like this. I'm going to turn the gingerbread man into a cute little project, because we also make small gingerbread men, okay? These are 5-inch squares. This is what I'm gonna use. This is a Quilt-As-You-Go project, just a table topper for the holidays. Cute as it can be, you know, and it's not that difficult. So what do you need for this? You need 5-inch squares. That's it. You need 5 of the gingerbread guy, and then make 4 half-square triangles, okay? When you make half-square triangles that you want to finish out at 5 inches, you are going to start with 5.5-inch squares of fabric, okay? Marry them together, make your half-square triangles. That's the basis for this. And all you need is, like I said, 4 HSTs and 5 little gingerbread men, and you are in business. So you lay it out, or however the design works best for you. This worked best for me. I think it's as cute as it can be. So line all those things up, and then we get busy on the Quilt-As-You-Go part. So the Quilt-As-You-Go, we have to cut a piece of batting, and we cut a piece of backing, all right? Now, I did not use a pattern for this. I just figured it out on my own, and you can do the same. And how do I know this? Because these are 5-inch squares, right? So when you put 5-inch squares together, you can tell already I've sewn these into strips, okay, into columns. That's going to be our next piece of this. But talk about this for just a minute. 5, 10, 15, right? It's 15 inches this way and 15 that way. But when we sew these 2 rows together, we lose a 1/4 inch seam allowance here and there. We lose a 1/4 inch seam allowance there and there. So we're losing a 1/2 inch and another 1/2 inch. We're losing 1 full inch. So what was a 15-inch square is now going to be a 14-inch square once this is sewn together. So 14 inches is what you're going to cut your piece of batting, which is this right here, okay? You get a 14-inch piece of batting, then you choose a backing fabric. I chose the green that's in our half-square triangle because I think it's great and it's Christmassy. For your backing piece, you're going to add 2 inches to that square. So when your batting was 14 inches, your backing is 16 inches. So that's how you figure it out. You can do that. Now look, I'm ready. I have these 2 pieces ready to go. I'm going to take my first strip, because it's not something you can do, is take each 5-inch square and sew it onto this individually. It doesn't work that way. That's why I have sewn mine into columns. So take your first column and just line it up along the left edge. That's good. And I take my second column and I'm just going to fold it over right sides together. And I am going to make sure your intersections match, okay? Because that's important. And they will. Just take some special time to look at that. And also, when you have sewn these strips together, I have pressed my seams to the dark side, which is my half-square triangle. Because I did that, because I pressed to the dark side on this piece too, when I marry these together face to face, my intersection seams will be perfectly nested. That's what you want. That means they're facing in opposite directions, so you're not sewing through a ton of bulk, all right? We're going to stitch this. We're going to open this guy up, and then we're going to take our last column, of course, stitch that here, and we're going to press that open. That's going to be, you know, that's the basis of this. Now, I'm going to show you the next version of it. These have all been sewn down. I have stitched down here, I've stitched down here, and I can show you. See, there was my stitching line. So at this point, you're ready to work on the seams, the outer edges. They're very simple to do. You're going to take your outer edge and fold it over halfway once up to the project, press it, fold it over again, and it covers your project, and you just do a top stitch along there. So I have top stitched this bottom piece already, closest to me. And I want you to know my top stitching does not go from end to end. No, it does not. I start just inside of the batting area here. And then I finish just inside of the batting area here. So there's about 1/8 of an inch that I have not touched. Top stitch that, and then you're ready for your next side. This is where it gets just a little funky. It's not bad. Take this edge here and fold it up 45 degrees and press that, okay? Once you have done that, you can take the rest of this side, fold it in half like you're going to do, and fold it in half again, and you're going to have a beautifully mitered edge on this corner, and that's what you're going for. And I'm going to slide this up if we can zoom in on that. You want a beautifully mitered corner. Now on this edge, when I top stitch it, just like I did on the other, I'm going to start just inside the batting area here. I'm going to top stitch all the way down, and I will finish at the mitered corner. Same thing with this. You're going to fold that corner in, and then on your final piece, on your final round, you're going to have two corners to fold in. You'll fold this guy in, and you will fold this guy in. Same thing, very simple to do. Beginners can do this, and that's what I love about this, because the final product is so much fun, and it is so cute. I absolutely love this. I hope you'll get some little gingerbread men. You know, these are the minis, but you can get them in all sizes. They're 9-inch squares, 18-inch, 43. It's just ridiculous what you can get. And we have over 8,500 different fabric panel designs on our website. So we will link to the gingerbread man, and we will link to these fabrics if you want to duplicate this. I hope you give it a try. Like us and follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.